Hi guys, I'm having a lot of fun making videos for you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying the different topics and everything that I've been covering in my last couple of videos. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So today I am going to be showing you guys what I eat today. A really busy day of recording some videos, uploading videos, doing some like office some work and stuff from home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started on breakfast. Here's the start of lunch for today. I'm having some rice, and then I'm putting some Indian chicken biryani rice seasoning mix in it. This actually does not have chicken in it. It's just a bunch of different spices. It's really good. I'm not going to put the whole pack in because it's quite a bit. So put it probably just half a pack. Kind of mix it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to add some peas. Put a half a container left. So here is lunch. Some rice, like I showed you earlier, some peas and the seasoning, and then 3 tortilla shells. So there you go, guys. So I'm going to be heading off to bed here in a little bit. I'm pretty tired. I had a busy day. I did a lot of stuff. Washing clothes. I worked almost 4 hours on YouTube type stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty tired. I don't usually do that much online, but sometimes it's good to do that, kind of promote yourself a little bit more kind of thing. So, like I said, I'm going to be heading off to bed. My whole body just kind of aches a little bit. I think it's because I've been sitting in front of the computer a lot more than normal. And didn't really do that much exercise or didn't take a walk or anything because it's been raining all day today. So, yep. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.